Best graphics cards. Looking for a powerful graphics card that can handle modern gaming without taking over your entire PC case? The ASUS Dual Radeon RX 9060 XT brings 16 GB of memory, efficient cooling, and a compact design that makes it a smart upgrade for many gamers. Number 5. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070Ti Gaming OC16G Graphics Card. If you are building a gaming PC or a creative workstation, this graphics card is designed for users who want next-level visuals without stepping into the highest-end GPU options. The GIGABYTE RTX 5070Ti Gaming OC16G is a strong choice for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who need powerful graphics performance. Its NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 support help deliver advanced AI-powered features and smoother experiences in supported applications. One of its biggest advantages is the 16 GB of GDDR7 memory with a 256-bit interface. This gives demanding games and creative workloads more room to handle detailed graphics, higher resolutions, and complex tasks. The WindForce cooling system with 3 fans is built to help manage heat during long sessions, while PCIe 5.0 support prepares it for desktop platforms. What makes this card stand out is the combination of NVIDIA technology, large memory capacity, and a factory overclock design that targets enthusiasts who want strong performance from their PC. One thing to consider is that this is a large graphics card, so buyers should make sure their PC case and power setup are compatible before upgrading. This GPU makes the most sense for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts looking for a premium upgrade. If you only need basic gaming or everyday graphics, a lower-tier option may be more practical. If you want to check the price and see the details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 4. GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC16G Graphics Card. If you are looking for a powerful AMD graphics card that can handle modern gaming and demanding creative workloads, this GPU stands out with a strong combination of performance, memory, and cooling features. The GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC16G is aimed at gamers, PC builders, and creators who want high-end graphics capability without moving into extreme workstation-level hardware. It comes with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, giving it plenty of capacity for detailed games, high-resolution textures, and demanding applications. One of the key highlights is the WindForce cooling system with Hawk fan technology. This matters because powerful GPUs can generate significant heat during long gaming sessions, and effective cooling helps maintain consistent performance. It also includes server-grade thermal conductive gel, which is designed to improve heat transfer from important components. Another standout feature is the RGB lighting, giving builders an option to match the card with a customized gaming setup. With PCIe 5.0 support and support for high-resolution displays up to 8K, this card is built for modern desktop systems. A possible limitation is that this level of graphics power may be unnecessary for casual users who mainly browse the web, watch videos, or play lightweight games. This card is a great fit for serious gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a capable AMD-based upgrade. If you need strong graphics performance with advanced cooling, this is worth considering. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 3. ASUS TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 12 GB GDDR7 OC Edition. If you want a graphics card built for long gaming sessions and long-term reliability, this ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5070 focuses on durability, cooling, and next-generation performance. This GPU is a great option for gamers and PC builders who want NVIDIA's latest technology without moving into the highest-tier models. Powered by the Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, it is designed to bring advanced graphics features and smoother experiences in supported games and applications. One of the biggest strengths of this card is its focus on durability. ASUS uses military-grade components and a protective PCB coating designed to help protect against issues caused by moisture, dust, and debris. That makes it appealing for users who want extra confidence in their hardware investment. Cooling is another major highlight. The 3.125 slot design, large fin array, and 3 axial tech fans are built to improve airflow and help manage heat during heavy workloads. The phase-change GPU thermal pad is also designed to maintain effective thermal performance over time. With 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, PCIe 5.0 support, and HDMI 2.1b plus DisplayPort 2.1a connections, This card is ready for modern gaming setups and high-resolution displays. One thing to consider is the larger 3.125 slot design, so buyers should check their PC case space before upgrading. This ASUS TUF RTX 5070 is best suited for gamers who value reliability and build quality along with performance. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 2. ASUS TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 Edition. If you are building a high-performance gaming PC and want a graphics card designed for demanding workloads, this ASUS TUF RTX 5080 brings flagship-level features with a strong focus on power and durability. This card is made for serious gamers, creators, and enthusiasts who want advanced NVIDIA performance for modern games, high-resolution graphics, and intensive applications. Powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, it is designed to deliver improved visuals and AI-powered features in supported software. A major highlight is the 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, which gives demanding games and creative workloads more capacity for detailed textures and complex tasks. The ASUS TUF design also focuses heavily on reliability, using military-grade components and a protective PCB coating to help defend against potential damage from moisture, dust, and debris. Cooling is another important advantage. The massive 3.6 slot design, large fin array, and 3 axial tech fans are built to improve airflow and handle the heat produced during extended high-performance use. The phase-change GPU thermal pad is designed to maintain thermal efficiency over time. The main thing buyers need to consider is the size. This is a large graphics card, so compatibility with your PC case and overall system setup is important before purchasing. This RTX 5080 is best suited for enthusiasts who want premium performance, durability, and a future-ready upgrade. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description. Number 1. ASUS Dual Radeon RX 9060 XT 16GB GDDR6 graphics card. If you want a powerful graphics upgrade that fits more PC builds without taking up too much space, this ASUS Radeon RX 9060 XT focuses on performance, cooling, and everyday usability. This graphics card is a great match for gamers and desktop users who want strong AMD performance with a practical design. With 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, it offers plenty of capacity for modern games, detailed textures, and demanding graphics applications. One of the biggest advantages of this card is its compact 2.5 slot design. Unlike larger high-end GPUs, this model is easier to fit into a wider range of PC cases while still maintaining effective cooling. The axial tech fans use a redesigned fan hub and barrier ring to improve airflow, helping the card stay comfortable during longer gaming sessions. Another useful feature is the 0 dB technology, which allows the fans to stay quiet during lighter workloads. The dual BIOS switch also gives users the flexibility to choose between quiet and performance modes depending on their needs. With PCIe 5.0 support, DisplayPort 2.1a, HDMI 2.1b, and support for up to 8K resolution, this card is built for modern setups. One limitation is that users looking for the absolute highest-end GPU performance may need a more powerful option. This ASUS RX 9060 XT is ideal for gamers who want strong performance, quieter operation, and easier installation in a compact design. If you want to check the current price and see the latest details, you can find the Amazon link in the description.